Yeah, oh, look at that close-up. Snapper, snapper. Isaac, 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 Isaac. Isaac. Let's see his tail moving. There's my computer. And there's the lamp that Sue bought in Mexico, and the table legs that I bought at store, God rest its soul. And the file cabinet at Target, and the plant at the pantry, and Isaac. And my ironing board from Target, and a table from the swap meet, and my gumball machine from Penny's, that was a gift, and my speakers from DAC, Apple, all kinds of things. There's a TV and the fan. But beyond the fan, there's our bug killer, the Verminex. Doesn't work.
I might be old-fashioned, but I still believe being a cop gets a lot of respect.
Of this tape is the part when Maggie Jordan, my niece, came into town to visit. It is still part of the sampling stage that I went through when I first purchased this fine camcorder. Enjoy the show. Thank you.
Welcome Maggie to San Diego. Here we are, preparing to embark for dinner.
Well, I guess I had to put my foot on the gas, huh?
Yeah. Well, here we are.
Do you have your driver's license, Maggie?
No, not yet. I'm getting it next year, though.
Have you taken driver's ed yet?
Yeah, I took it, but I injured my arm, so.
Oh, you couldn't finish?
So I couldn't really finish really well, so I should take it over again next year.
Ice cream man. And here we go. This is the experiment in terror.
But you might see the trees.
Yeah, I'm learning from that. Yeah, it's pretty dark. The camera's struggling to maintain.
We want to go down West Mission Bay, don't we, Mike?
No.
You want to stay here?
I want to take Ingram.
Yeah, I know, but
I think that's just like...
I think we want to go down West Mission Bay.
Trying to hold it steady.
Yeah, really, Mike.
Oh, don't worry, I got that. Approaching a light?
Yeah.
I guess so. Ow! We are filming in low light. A beautiful Mission Bay Park.
Dark.
Here we are heading back. Can't really read the signs. They're there. Sports arena. Oh wow. Well, I put it on manual focus.
Yeah.
It's a lot better. Like to the point you can almost read this guy's license plate.
Cool.
Okay. Judging by the bright intermittent flashing of his right indicator, he's turning right. Here we pass by and the world famous Denny's coming up on our right. There it is, folks. And as you can tell, we're going the wrong way to go on the scenic drive.
Although we're not really sure what's scenic down there.
I guess the sports arena.
Ooh.
Ooh, skitty, bitty bitty skitty. Here's Aliberto's.
Closed Aliberto's.
We turn right. Observe the full stop. And the instant power to the pedal.
This is video proof that I have followed my boyfriend's advice.
Thanks, girlfriend. There's Liquorland. Baskin Robbins right there.
31 flavors.
I'll try to focus in. Union 76. And of course, never far away in beautiful Southern California, 7-Eleven. Oh, thank heaven, huh? Thanks again, girlfriend.
Welcome, boyfriend. Are you done with your camcorder? No.
So now we're heading home. Heading home after a laborious evening of fun and frolic and food. And family and friends.
And your favorite piece, right?
Yeah. You're my fourth favorite girlfriend.
And she wishes you were out with your first favorite. Really?
Fred Farkle.
Hi!
And as we turn completely around, and as we hit the car, and there it is, 1 Reg 766. There's Isaac, and Snapper, and SL,
Hi.
and Maggie,
And Mike.
and a Maggie shot.
Oh. I heard that one before.
Apple! Apple, apple, apple. Who'd you hear that from?
It's the evil snapper.
Not.
Big fur ball. Behind you.
Oh, so we move away from the. Ooh.
Look at TV.
Boyfriend, your batteries are low.
No, not.
There too.
No, not. No, in the battery, it'll go. Half the symbol will go clear, and then the symbol flashes. That's when the battery's low.
Is there
Phantom,
none more
he's behind you.
beautiful?
Hey, girlfriend, I'm on power. So, anyways.
Get Phantom. He's behind you.
He.
She.
Here's the Ike. And the Napple
Phantom. Phantom.
But is he the cutest cat in all the world? Yes, he is.
Phantom.
Yeah.
Oh. Just throw him.
Her.
Her. I'm sure. Just throw
Hey,
her.
Phantom.
Hi.
You're a good kitty.
Evil kitty.
Both.
She's mostly evil, though.
Phantom. Hey, Phantom.
Hey, you guys feel girls really been both you guys been on TV. Phantom's back. Phantom.
Phantom. Hey. Well, don't put it right in front of you. You just go like this. Lay down.
Run away.
Just say it. Dun, da, da, da. Dun, 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 da. Isaac, Isaac, Isaac.
The
Isaac, Isaac,
Show.
the Isaac Show. Ba-da-da, 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 ba-da-da. The end. My love bunny. Well, bubbly is she now?
So,
There you go, girlfriend.
the cutest cat in all the world. My angel.
Racing along, and all of a sudden, ah! Oh!
Kitty cat.
So we flew away. But then we were back in our car driving. And what do we see? We saw another car. Ah!
We saw a big pop can.
Oh, we flew again. Then we went back to the car.
Wedding bells.
What do you have to say, Magdalene?
Hi, everyone.
Da, 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 da.
Not yet. Happy birthday, Uncle Tim.
Blow out the candles. Oh. We're going down to La Jolla Cave. That's the cave. There's Maggie. Hey, again, there's the birds. It's a quick pan that everybody hates. Here's the rocks and water that Dad likes so much. And there's the ocean.
Now I advance.
And here's Uncle Mike. Back. Totally dark. Canyon. It was such a popular tourist attraction. This is for Liz and John. It was such a popular tourist attraction. And they decided to meld it with the sea. And they moved it over to California. And there, my friends, is the ocean. Hanging ever so gracefully. There's Maggie Jordan. Da 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 da. Jump! Jump! Press the record. Wait till it focuses. Is it focused now? Say. Okay. Hi, Maggie. Are you recording?
Hi, Mike.
Are you recording?
Yep. Where are we
Okay.
going?
We're in Coronado right now. We're heading south on 75 California Freeway. We're about to pass the Hotel Del, world famous for lots of reasons. The biggest and most common reason is because they filmed a movie with Tony Curtis, Jack Lemmon, and Marilyn Monroe called Some Like It Hot. Okay, cut. It'll be on your right side. Yeah, the whole thing. We'll be going along the whole way here. Oh. Hotel Del. Hoo, 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 hoo. Hooty hoo, hooty hoo. Okay. Now we're heading towards this. Does it look like it's in focus?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's the ocean.
We're still heading south. No, you can stop now. Out there is too much glare.
Inside the museum? Oh, to fill it up?
No, it's empty. I was just, I had nothing in it. I just didn't want to take it in there.
Oh.
Light bowl. Say hi, Maggie. Say hi, Sue.
Hi. You're boring.
This will be our pictorial history, so everybody wants to come see us. We can just say, oh, you can go see this. Let's see if we can see inside. You can see inside a little bit. There's the radio, the two compartment holder, and the back.
Hi.
And Maggie.
And Sue's coming.
Alright. Sue, what kind of car is this?
A Ford, a 1937 Ford 812 limousine.
Hey.
It's a Harley Davidson.
45 CI, the world's fastest motorcycle. Move too fast.
Presidential car.
I don't know if she told me. perfect girlfriend. How much is it?
Beautiful coat pattern. Down in the valley, you'll see a large gold-colored deer called the Banasinga. It's also known as the Indian swamp deer. And that is captive breeding management and reintroduction into the wild when and where it's possible. We almost lost the Arabian oryx after World War II because there were a lot of weapons and vehicles that were left over from the war that people used to hunt with, and they became very efficient hunters then. In 1962, the Phoenix Zoo recognized a need to start a breeding program for the oryx because we had lost 9 animals in captivity. 10 years later, in 1972, when we started up here, we wanted to join in with that effort, so we obtained 6 animals from that Phoenix program. But that same year, in 1972, reports did indicate that the Arabian oryx was no longer found in the wild. But for white rhinos, which we're going to be seeing soon, we're hoping our success will extend to this type. Based on our past, we've been able to bring a few here. We have 4 now, and that's a male. We have a second one.
He's looking at you, so I can say, I'd like to...
There, guys. Look.
How's the battery?
Yeah, it's about to go dead.
I'm gonna make a fast
Gotta film while I can.
No. Hi, boyfriend. Hi, Uncle Mike.
Hi, you two.
Had a
Ready?
great day. Yeah, let's go.
Point it right towards Snapper so it walks over there. Everyone.
Oh gee, a new camera. Great.
I love video cameras.
So how many hours of Sue do you have? Autofocus, yeah.
Oh, it's better than autofocus. Oh, it's recording.
Oh, it is? It's a...
Well, I got a lot of these shots.
Yeah.
Oh, so it just drops out of that nice little hole.
And I can put it back in too.
The multi-talented. You know, Sue was up for Vanna White's job at one time. I don't know if you guys knew that. There's that Australian laughter. Do something Australian.
Just talk.
Yeah.
I'll just talk and then I'll sound geeky when I hear geeky.
Yeah. Now what is in Vegemite anyway? Wee. Oh, what's happening? Oh.
Where is it?
Oh, there it is. Shoot, put, oh. Kind of lean over to your left and blow. Oh man, you got a face full of it. And then you just wait. Where's that at?
Here, right. There you go.
Okay. Oh, shoes, baby. There's a baby crawling on the window ledge. See you bye. Oh, out the window.
You go with
The
that?
end of it.
Oh, so that's this button. The end. Baby, shoes, anything. Oh, see if we can compete with Mike. Oh, I better back up a little bit. Man, look at the dome around Maggie. Ah! What a cool tattoo. Wedding bells. Yeah. Okay. Now you could edit that into the other one. Maggie was drinking the whole time. Kathy, we caught her on film. Oh man,
Then
Mike was
she-
a bad influence.
Then she set the fireworks off on the Christmas tree.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's coming out.
Oh wait, we'll get to that. Oh, there it is. Whoa, whoa. Oh, but then
Happy Hanukkah.
it's time for reflection as we all celebrated Rosh Hashanah, which is coming up. Actually, this
Yes,
Tuesday.
you're right.
Yeah.
But that's not
Whoa.
when they celebrate
Play
that.
some sports.
Sports. Oh, but you don't really celebrate Rosh Hashanah, do you really?
You just go to church and fast and stuff.
Oh, the same old stuff, New day. So there's no cats around. Oh, there's no music. And there's no big
Precisely.
news. Oh, none of that. Oh, the curtain thing. We'll do the Liz thing here. Oh.
Yeah.
How do you kill this thing? Oh, there we go. There's the cat. Let's tone in on this cat. Isaac, wait.
Yeah.
Oh, friendly critter, ain't he?
Look at the kitty in the laundry basket.
Let's do cruel things to these cats with a fork. Oh, sorry. Get a little excited. Oh, nice shirt. Lots of colors. How's that coming out? I think you could back up a little bit.
Oh, remotely. Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, I guess that's as back as it gets.
To get the fire done.
Oh yeah. Now this is important.
Spin it round, yeah, that's the
I wonder what happens in the fan. Yeah, we're blowing the heat from the fire.
Ooh, it looks like a real fire.
Chances are very romantic.
K-12 presents.
Yeah.
Those magic moments.
Oh, that is not bad. You know, they have like those things where they tape these. And stuff. Ah. What's going on over here?